In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT with a credit card on Binance using the latest 2026 app layout. First, open the Binance app, log in, and switch to Binance Pro if you're not already there. On the home screen, tap Add Funds, then choose Buy With. This is where you can buy crypto directly with your card. Next, select your fiat currency at the top, for example USD or EUR, and in the amount box type how much you want to spend. Binance will automatically show you how much crypto you'll receive. Now change the crypto to USDT, so you're specifically buying Tether. Under Payment Method, choose Card, Visa/MasterCard. If it's your first time, tap Add New Card and enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Binance may ask you to complete or upgrade your identity verification before allowing card purchases. Before you pay, check the order details, the USDT amount, price, and any card fees. When everything looks good, tap Confirm. Your bank might open a 3D Secure/OTP page to verify the transaction. After it's processed, your USDT will be credited to your spot wallet and you can see the order in your history. From there, you can trade it, transfer it, or withdraw it to another wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.